YouTube, man, what's going on, bro? It's your boy AB back again with another video, another banger, man. In today's video, we're gonna be checking out craziest car meets of 2024. Yeah, man, before we get to the video, make sure y'all boys hit the sub, bro. 200 subs, man. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's see, bro. Yeah, I know a lot of niggas be doing dumb shit. Let's see, bro.
You trying to do a rollback in the Tesla is crazy.
This nigga sliding the Tesla, bro? No. 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 See, that's what your ass get, nigga. That's what your ass get for the slide in the fucking Tesla, my nigga. Man, these niggas be losing their brain cells, my nigga. You fucked it up, man. I know that shit fucked up. And he's still doing it. Oh, shit. What he hit? The pump? Damn, bro. That nigga hit the water pump. Crazy, bro. Oh, he's sliding the old school motherfucker. Hope we don't crash that. I hope we don't. Damn, not the GMC motherfucker. Damn.
Ain't nothing too crazy.
Yeah, not too crazy, but still though, damn, my nigga, I would've slammed the brakes. Here we go. There we go. Fucking Mustang drivers. Mustang drivers. We got Mopar now too. See, he don't know how to drive Mopars, bro. He don't. Damn, that nigga just showing off. Shit, I don't know why y'all niggas be spending money on these. Nah, he wanna go? He said, let me redeem myself, my nigga. Oh, damn. Damn, bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Is he still doing a burnout, my nigga? Oh, you gonna mess up the car, bro. I don't know what I see. What happened?
I had to drop my phone to get out the fucking way.
Oh, that shit sound like a lawnmower, my nigga. Oh, shit. Not the cat. Is that the cat? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Oh man. That shit. Oh shit. Nigga get a water like. Oh shit.
Hey, bro, you must gonna get fucked up. Look where you going.
I would have tweaked out too, bro. I would have tweaked out too. Got another Mopar.
They acting a fool, bro.
Oh shit, he about to do dumb shit. Watch.
Hey, good shit, bro. Alright, man, we hopping on the highway. We on our way to date, cars and coffee, like I said.
The Hellcat. That boy almost crashed. Boy, you lucky, boy. Boy, you lucky, nigga.
Almost lost it trying to record with one hand, man. You see that shit?
Shit crazy, man. God save you.
school shit. His leg broke. His leg broke. His leg fucked, bro. His leg fucked,
Nah, bro. Nah. See, y'all niggas gotta watch out, bro. Damn, man. I hope bro's good, man. That's fucked up, man. I hope bro's good. That shit crazy. We got that old school motherfucker.
Okay, I'm about to say that's brother goals, bro.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh my god. Nigga, what your ass thinking you doing in the fucking rain sliding, bro? I would never, bro. That's super hard, bro. Oh shit. Shit. Damn. Damn. Damn, my nigga. I think I saw this shit on TikTok. I'm not mistaken, I saw this already on TikTok. That was crazy. Is that Daytona? Yup. Nigga was sliding too much. Like, cool down, man. Front of the fire department, that's crazy. Oh, he's showing off. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. But, whoa! I just not noticed it. Oh, nah, he, bro, this nigga playing with his life right now, bro.
Man, shit ain't got serious, man.
This is crazy, my nigga. You playing, bro, I'm not, bro, that's crazy, bro. Nigga playing with his life for that shit. See, I knew it. See, this is some dumb, bro. I hate niggas who act like that, bro. Oh, this is in Ohio too. Man, Ohio be wildin' out, bro. Niggas be tweaking. And he driving off too. Yeah, that's the old school Mustang. No, it's not, I don't think that's a Mustang. I don't know what that is. Charger? I don't know. Shit clean. That's a Mustang right there.
That boy was in the grass, son.
Got another Mopar.
Oh God, man, that's on their ass. Stupid.
Oh, that's the same Mustang, right?
And the sheriff right
I mean, is that the same Charger? God damn, I keep saying Mustang. Fuck why I see him saying Mustang, bro? That shit crazy.
Nah, he couldn't.
Nah, bro, I hate when niggas act like that, bro. For real though, like that shit crazy, bro.
That's not even the same one, is it? Yeah, that's not even the same Charger.
Nah, that's a different Charger.
Got the
I think,
wrong
yeah, they done got the wrong nigga. That's crazy, bro. Oh shit, that shit, bro. Niggas need to tighten up the lug nuts, bro. Like that shit, they're not tightening right. Obviously. Oh, I think I saw that. I saw that. What the fuck, my nigga? Holy shit, bro. It's crazy. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, bro. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, my nigga. want to get copyrighted. Okay, we got an Ultima, whatever. That shit What the fuck am I watching, bro? What the fuck am I watching, my nigga?
He not even ready. Oh, guard yourself.
Damn. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh dang, dang, dang. They're like, boom. Bro, this shit. Damn. Boy, this shit too funny, bro. You alright, bro? You be alright, bro. That's crazy. Why they add this shit, bro? That shit crazy. Nah, bro. Bro. I'm telling you, that nigga with the blue charger, bro. This nigga was playing for you. Like, he didn't give a single goddamn fuck, my nigga. Like, this nigga just gonna go ahead and freaking slide around in front of 212, my nigga. Goddamn it. That's crazy, bro. But hey, man, that concludes today's video. If y'all like, give it a like button. Comment what y'all boys want to react to. Yeah, man, we out.